Hello, how are students? Welcome to my YouTube channel RJ English Tutorials. Today we are going to learn the lesson, the fun they had. Now let's see the introduction of this lesson. This story shows the light on an interesting aspect of the technological world where we will have in future. Now, can you student think of time in future? Student don't need to go to the school to have the education. How about robot replacing teacher? Now, this moment, these days, how are you studying? You are studying at home. All the students are learning at home. You are learning with your mobile and other gadgets because this is the lockdown situation. We are facing the problem of coronavirus. Coronavirus spread all over the world. It is spreading in our area also. That's why we are inside the house. We are not going out any without reasons. We are keeping distance. We are doing at all this thing at our home. We are not able to go to school because we have some problems now these days. But hopefully we will meet soon. Now let's see the story. This story is regarding to the school life and those students who do not go to school and miss the school. In the end, we come to know that this is an imagination of the little girl named Margie. She comes to know that her grandfather and other peoples, it means all the people in the past, they were used to go to school. They were used to study with the books. The Margie feels that they had all lot of fun in their time when they went to school. When we read the story, we feel that the school life is very good and we are very fortunate we have the real school where we go. Now let's see the story. This story had been written by Isaac Asimov. Now let's read the story. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17 May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper." Now, what did Margie write in her diary? She wrote in her diary, "Today Tommy found a real book." What's meant by the real book? Real book means the printed on pages. Now, when does the story take place? The story has took place on 17 May 2157. And then we know the real book means the printed book. It means the text printed on the pages. And then how was that book? That book was, it means that it was the old book. And then Margie remembered of her grandfather. Once her grandfather said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that when at their time, which were printed, all the stories were printed on their books. Now let's see the next paragraph. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awful funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. Why did they found to read that funny? Because when they found the funny to read that words were very still. Words were not moving. Usually they reads on the computer screen, keeps the moving text on that. In this way, they found very funny to read that, and the words were still stood instead of moving. Why did they surprise? When they turned pages to back before, the same words were on it. "Gee," said Tommy, "what a waste. When you are through the book, when you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away." "Same with mine," said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many books as Tommy had. He was 13. She said, "Where did you find it?" "In my house." He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. Now, let's see the next paragraph. "Gee," this is the reaction of the Tommy. He said, "What's waste?" Why did Tommy find this waste? The book waste here? He thought that after reading the book, you have to throw it away. It is very useless, because when your purpose is complete there, then you have to lost that. That's why he thought the books are waste. On the other hand, what happened? He had the computer screen. He had the millions of books on his computer, and he could read that whenever he want. In this way, he thought these printed books are wasted. It means when he found the funny to read that, the words were still stood. That's why I thought this is the waste. Now, once again, the Margie asked the question, where did you find this book? He replied that, in my house, in the attic. It means the storeroom of the house. There he found this book. What's it about? School? Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the inspector. Now, she once again asked the question, what's there to write about school? I hate school. Why did Marge hate the school? Because she never liked the school. There are many reasons, but particular reason is that the Marge's teacher had been giving test after test, and she had been doing worse and worse performance in the particular geography section. That's why she hated the school. And then next paragraph, he was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour. So there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test paper. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Then Margie hated the school. Then what happens? Her mother called the county inspector. And who was the county inspector? County inspector was a round little man with a red face. He was expert and a technical expert, we can say. Then he had carried a box of tools with wires and dial. Then he came there, he smiled at Margie and he gave her an apple, and then after he took apart the teacher, it means he separated the parts of that computer, and computer teacher and then he repaired again. He was master in that. But here Margie had hope. He wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he was master. He prepared it to teach her. He made ready the Margie's teacher. He once again smiled at Margie and he patted on the head of the Margie. Now let's read the next. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have shown it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. and he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blackened out completely. Now see here, he repaired the Margie's teacher. The teacher was ready. It was black, large, black, ugly, with a big screen. This is the imagination of the robot teacher. It was very ugly look like, and also the black with the big screen. And then Margie was very disappointed. She was hating one of the particular slot. She had to put the homework in the slot of computer. He had to put the answer sheet in the slot of that computer, where the computer calculate, it means that her teacher, technical teacher, calculate the marks in a no time, and that's why she was very disappointed. She did not like the technical teacher, mechanical teacher. And she also very nervous about that person who repaired her mechanical teacher. She thought that Tommy's mechanical teacher was not working because his county inspector took with him and he is now resting, but I have no chance. That's why she did not like the mechanical teacher. She did not like her school because she always have to sit in front of the computer. She always giving the test after test, and she was doing the worst performance in the geography section because that was not her fault. County inspector told that this is not the fault of this little girl, Mrs. John. This is fault of the machine. It was geared up little toothpick in geography section. Now he told that I have adjusted it about 10 to 11 years, and in this way we completed here the first part of this lesson. We will meet in the next part of the lesson in the next video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks.